I'd like to say to Christine and Randy and the girls that I really enjoy being around you guys, and that's pretty much what I just really like the kindness and the people that are around me and that are really nice. But at the same time, I think you guys could have really planned this out a whole lot better. When it's not too late, because then people aren't very rude. But it was a very nice wedding, and I wish you guys have a very, very happy night and a very nice honeymoon.